In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a connected app in Salesforce Lightning. To get started, head over to the home page of your Salesforce application. Once there, you'll want to click on the settings icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of your interface. This will open up a menu, and within that menu, look for and select the option that says Open Advanced Setup. Once you have the Advanced Setup panel opened, use the search bar to type in App Manager. You're going to need to find the App Manager option, so simply type it in and hit Enter. This should take you to a screen where you can manage all the apps associated with your Salesforce account. At this point, look for the button that says New Lightning App and give it a click. You will then be prompted to provide an app name. Go ahead and input the name you want to use for your app. This is your opportunity to give a unique and descriptive name that helps you and others understand the purpose of the app at a glance. Next, you'll need to fill in the developer name. This is typically something that's derived from the app name, and it acts as a unique identifier within Salesforce. It is crucial that this name remains consistent if you ever decide to modify the app settings in the future. Now click on the description field. Here you'll write a brief description that explains what your app is for and any key functionalities it offers. This is useful not just for you, but for any collaborators who might interact with the app. Once you've added the description, it's time to bring some personality to your app by adding an image. Look for the Add Image option and click on it. It's always a good idea to choose an image that represents your app well. After you've selected an image, make sure you click on Upload to ensure that it gets saved correctly to your app settings. Following the image upload, navigate to and click on Next to proceed with further setup. The interface will guide you through a series of additional steps, such as setting up initial configurations and permissions. Take your time to ensure everything is set according to your requirements. When you finish setting up the initial configurations, click Next again. You'll likely be prompted to select which tabs and functionalities you want to include in your app. Use the arrows to add or remove elements based on what suits your needs best. When you're ready, click on Add to finalize your choices. Continually follow through each next step. You'll proceed by configuring how users will interact with your app via the app launcher. Remember to set permissions by selecting External Apps, Login User, Classification if necessary, and hit Add to apply these settings. Lastly, you'll reach the Save and Finish button. This is essential as it stores all your configurations. After you complete this, you might want to highlight any crucial features. When satisfied, click Highlight to emphasize these before closing the creation process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a connected app in Salesforce Lightning. This setup should provide a seamless integration and functionality for all users involved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you master the creation of your connected app with ease.